As a homeowner in Covington, you know that maintaining and improving your home is an ongoing investment. One upgrade that often gets overlooked, but delivers exceptional long-term value, is window replacement. While new windows can enhance curb appeal, their true value lies in the multiple long-term benefits they bring to your home, comfort, and finances. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here's why window replacement is one of the smartest investments you can make in your Covington home. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant long-term benefits of new windows is increased energy efficiency. Many older homes in Covington still have original single-pane or poorly insulated windows, which allow heat and cold to pass through easily. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, driving up energy bills. Modern replacement windows feature double or triple pane glass, advanced sealing technology, and low emissivity, low-leak coatings. These features help maintain a consistent indoor temperature year-round by reducing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Over time, the energy savings can offset much of the initial installation cost. Enhanced comfort. New windows do more than just look good, they make your home more comfortable. You'll notice fewer drafts, more consistent indoor temperatures, and reduced condensation on glass. Covington's seasonal shifts in temperature and humidity can make older windows feel less reliable, but with newer models, you'll enjoy a more stable, pleasant indoor environment. Noise reduction. If you live near a busy street, school, or high-traffic area in Covington, replacing the windows can make your home significantly quieter. High-quality window replacements are designed to block out unwanted outside noise with sound-insulating features, making your home a peaceful retreat from the outside world. Increased home value window replacement offers an excellent return on investment when it comes to resale value. Potential buyers in Covington are increasingly looking for move-in ready homes with energy-efficient features, and new windows are a major selling point. They signal to buyers that the home has been well maintained and updated for long-term performance. According to industry data, homeowners can recoup up to 70 to 80% of the cost of window replacement in added home value. Plus, a more attractive, updated exterior makes a great first impression. Better home security. Today's replacement windows are designed with improved security features such as reinforced locks, laminated or tempered glass, and durable frames. Upgrades make it much more difficult for potential intruders to gain access through windows, a common point of entry in older homes. For Covington homeowners, enhancing your home's security with high-quality windows adds another layer of protection for your family and belongings. Low maintenance and durability. Modern windows are made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist warping, cracking, and fading. Unlike wood frames, they require very little maintenance, no scraping, painting, or refinishing needed. Some models even come with self-cleaning glass coatings that reduce the amount of buildup over time. With proper installation, your new windows will perform beautifully for decades, saving you time, hassle, and money on future repairs or replacements. Potential insurance discount. Because newer windows offer better protection against wind and impact. Some insurance providers offer discounts on homeowners insurance for homes with upgraded windows. This is especially beneficial in areas prone to severe storms or fluctuating weather patterns like Covington. Final thought. Window replacement in Covington is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a wise, long-term investment in your home's efficiency, value, security, and comfort. With energy costs rising and homebuyers looking for sustainable features, the benefits of replacing your windows now will pay off for years to come. To get the best results, work with a trusted local window expert who understands the specific needs of Covington homeowners. With quality products and professional installation, you'll enjoy all the long-term rewards that come with this smart home improvement.